Good morning, teacher. Today I'm going to present my family favorite possession. My father's favorite possession is his car. Since he really likes to travel to various places with his family. My mother's favorite possession is volleyball. My mother she's like it a lot since she can play with her friends from each neighborhood. My brother's favorite possession is his PlayStation 4 because he likes adventure games and online. My sister's favorite possession is cell phones. Since she likes to make various videos and on talk in chat. Thanks, teacher.